Guess what? Today I'm here to do a fun color comparison for you guys. I have two Rene of Paris colors here that I'm going to compare because I thought people might wonder what the difference is. So today we're going to look at Marble Brown from Rene of Paris. This is Marble Brown R. And I'm going to compare to Glazed Auburn R. Let's do it. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I would like to thank Chiquel for making this video possible. I am a wig reviewer for Chiquel, and these wigs were sent to me to be reviewed, and then I realized, oh my goodness, like, I can compare these colors and I think it's going to help somebody. So I'm really grateful for the opportunity to make lots and lots of videos for you guys and show you lots of different things, wig reviews, tips and tricks, color spotlights. It's just the best. Chiquel is an online retailer that carries all the major name brands. They are wonderful. They have live sales every week. They have some in-person wig shops. You should definitely check them out the next time you're in the market for a wig. They have thousands of them. I can save you money. I have a coupon code. I will link these wigs below in the description box. And on my head, I have the gorgeous Winston from 𝖊𝗎చ్చి𝗂. Just a really casual, layered cut, perfect everyday throw and go, not too fancy. You can wear it with makeup, without makeup. I love this wig. So that's what I have on my head. Let's get to the color comparison. So the color I'm most familiar with is the Marble Brown R. This is a very popular color for Rene of Paris. It's been around forever and ever, and almost all of their wigs come in this color. Not all of their wigs may necessarily come in the Glazed Auburn R, but this is their most popular brunette. And prior to seeing Glazed Auburn R, this is the wig that I considered more of an Auburn brunette. Next to the Glazed Auburn R, though, I see more of the honey in this one that the descriptions always talk about. So this is not as auburn or as reddish as it could be, and I think that's why color comparisons are so helpful, because when you see a color next to another color, then you see things in that color that you might not have noticed. I wouldn't have called this more of a honey highlight until I saw it next to a true auburn. This is giving a little bit of like lighter auburn vibes, but it's really more of a honeyish color with a little bit of a hint of an auburn red. And the brunette on this one is much more of kind of a medium, more neutral brown. But when you look at the Glazed Auburn R, that's where that brunette looks more reddish and a lot deeper. You can see the Marble Brown R is much lighter compared to the Glazed Honey R. Did I say Glazed Honey R? Am I combining? Glazed Auburn R. Oh my gosh, I'm combining words. So the Marble Brown R is the one that's more like a neutral brown with kind of a honeyish highlight that can look a little auburn all by itself. The Glazed Auburn R is much deeper, much richer, and much more red. Now, all by itself, it's not a bold in-your-face red at all. It is a kind of a muted red. It's more of a medium dark brown with the red tone, and then it's got those auburn highlights that are very auburn. And then you get the lighter, more medium brown without the reddish base with the honey on top. Does that make sense? They're both rooted, and the roots look pretty similar, but I would say the root on the Glazed Auburn R is a bit darker, just a little bit deeper and a little bit more warm toned. Hopefully you can see that. So what do if you're trying to find a color? Well, here's what I would ask myself. Do I like dark browns? Am I looking for more of a dark brown, more of a 4 base? Brunettes go from a 2 to a 12. A 2 is the darkest brown, a 12 is the lightest brown. Am I looking for a darker brown? Do I want it to be reddish? Am I loving kind of reds? Do I want it to be deep, rich, red toned, then the glazed Auburn R could be a good fit for you. If, on the other hand, you want your brunette to be more of a medium brown, you don't want the super deep, dark, rich brown, and you don't love a lot of super red. You don't want that red base. You like a little bit of red, you like a little bit of warmth, but you don't really want like that deep, rich red tone, then marble brown is the color for you. Now, of course, neither one of these might be the color for you, but I'm just saying if you're struggling and you thought these two were real similar, well, I don't think that's true. I think that they are quite a bit different from each other. And that's why I wanted to make this video. I'm going to show you these colors outside here real quick and then let you guys go. Let's get outside. All right, so here we are outside. Marble brown R, glazed Auburn R. Something to keep in mind, when you're outside, sometimes depth is harder to see than inside. So inside, the glazed Auburn R looked a lot darker than the marble brown R. It doesn't have quite as much contrast here. I think they look closer. Obviously, the glazed Auburn R is much redder, but as far as it being a lot darker, it doesn't look like that as much out here. So that's the other reason why I show inside and outside, because the lighting really impacts how you see the color and how the color presents. But you can see so much more red here. And just that the base, really easy to see in person, that base color, much more of a reddish tone, whereas the base color on this one is much more of a neutral tone without all the red. And then once I've realized that the highlights were more honey versus true Auburn, I can't unsee it. So if anything, that helped me a ton to realize that what I was seeing here is less of the Auburn and more of the honey, and I just needed to see it next to a true Auburn to really appreciate that. I really hope this helped you guys. Don't forget about the links below if you want to see my review of Isla, my review of Micah, links to Chiquel, coupon code, all the good stuff. Let me know how this helped, if it did, if it didn't. See you soon. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.